friends.
Today I am going to show you how to make chicken and mushroom thick soup.
These are the ingredients what I want for this recipe. 200 grams of mushroom, 100 grams of chicken, 30 grams of chopped onion, 20 grams of chopped garlic, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of corn flour, and taste salt and pepper. And also I am using this chicken stock. It has 500 milliliters of chicken stock. First I am going to heat the pan. After heating the pan, I am going to add some butter. Then I am going to dissolve my butter by using heat. Then I am going to add garlic, and also onions, and I'm going to keep stir my garlic and onions. I'm going to sweat the onions and garlic together. Then I'm going to add some chicken into it, and also I am keep stir my mixture again. I want to fry the chicken in the oil. Then I am going to add corn flour into this mixture, and also this stage you have to really think about your temperature. Then I am going to pour some stock water into this pan. I'm going to deglaze the pan. And this time I'm going to add the mushroom. I'm going to pour another stock water into this pan. I'm going to stir the soup and mix all together very well. Now I'm going to boil the soup. Okay, now I'm going to add salt, and also pepper, consume that much spicy for this soup because it's light soup. I boiled the soup very well, and now I'm going to keep away from the stove. Now I'm going to blend the soup. Now I'm going to pour my soup into this bowl. This soup has some nice consistency and it's really delicious. Try this at home.